Thanks for tuning in to Trash Out TV. I'm here today with cousin Gene.
How are you?
Trash Out Gene is Trash Out Gene. Trash Out TV is
worse, Tim.
okay. Trash Out TV is considering investing in a drone for its show. So cousin Gene's a pro at this, and he's going to show us how one of these drones work. I think it would be great for the job. Gene, make that thing take off.
Okay, you got it.
All right, now we're down at the bay, a local bay in New Jersey, the Raritan Bay. It's off of the Atlantic Ocean. In fact, if I walk up to the beach, you'll be able to see the Freedom Tower. New York City is just across this bay by a few miles. This thing's going pretty high up. Let's check on cousin Gene, see how he's doing. All right, he's got this under control. Now, Gene, show me on your screen what you're seeing. Show the bay and the water.
Let me.
Oh, you're not ready. Okay, come on, we're filming this here.
I don't have my holder with me.
We don't want to lose our viewers. They don't want to, watch this thing forever.
There you go.
All right, let's see what we got.
I usually have my holder with me, so it's a little different. But this is pretty much what you'll see.
There's too much reflection on this screen. What's the drone seeing right now?
Now? How about that?
There's the marina.
Better?
Okay, so the drone is looking at the marina, and the actual drone is way up there. So it's really cool here.
You can fly about 4 miles out, 2 miles up. Of course, I would never go that high. It also has GPS and can shoot in 4K. So it's going to do a lot of cool things.
Is this something that would be helpful to Trash Out TV?
100%.
Okay, how would I use that in this business?
You could shoot your roofs. You could shoot, the location. Get a better.
We do put new roofs on. We do everything as a property preservation company.
You can shoot the backyard, see the property, just to see where your problems might be if you're doing a roof, without having to climb up there.
Can I film Peter Pants flying it?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Let's go see the Freedom Tower. For viewers that are not from New Jersey, if you look closely, now this is from my camera now, not the drone. But if I can kind of zoom in, you see a bridge. I don't think I can zoom in enough, but it's right there. That is the Freedom Tower. It's at the Verrazano Bridge, right, Gene?
Yes.
That's the Verrazano. That connects Staten Island to Brooklyn, and right behind that is the Freedom Tower. And there's a beautiful sunset that's happening here over the marina. And let's see what cousin Gene's up to with his toy here. What do you see now on the screen?
Right now I'm looking at this.
You're seeing the ocean? I mean the
bay. Trying to get a shot of the skyline here.
Let me see the bay. Put it on my camera. All I see is your face reflecting.
How about that?
Okay, let me hold this up.
I had that holder.
Now we see my face. Yeah, there's the water. So this is what the drone is showing.
You'd also see it on the map here. So you get your location of your drone, and also just basically the local geography.
So what's good about this, actually, I could use this if AC from JC's on the job and I want to make sure he's working and not doing any stunts.
Yep.
Would I be able to see him?
You can actually set the drone to follow me. So the drone will follow the person who you have it locked on.
And we could see where Peter Pants is up to, make sure he's not taking a nap.
Oh, Peter Pants. Yeah.
Okay. All right, I think I want to buy one of these. Thanks for tuning in to Trash Out TV. Everybody say goodbye to cousin Gene.
See you later, cousin Tim.
These are actual shots of pictures taken from the drone view. Where'd it go? All right. Ground control. Trash Out TV is going to invest in one of these to film Trash Out TV. Thanks for watching Trash Out TV. We love you.